Fun, a bit crazy, inspiring.
The innovation, the creativity.
You learn new things, you meet old faces, and that's the bit that I really love about it.
We are convening the Summit of the Future.
You just can't miss it.
It's about global connectivity. Investors, developers, asset managers, lawyers, accountants, and not just from Europe, but from around the globe.
To connect with prospective investors is hugely important.
We are forging connections that bridge economies and peoples, shaping a sustainable and prosperous future.
2030 is not tomorrow, but yesterday.
The climate crisis has been a wake-up call for this industry.
We need partners from the different industries, so it's a public and private partnership.
More use of technology to both drive sustainability and the occupier experience.
How do we solve the housing crisis? We want to be as creative as possible.
Our lifestyles are changing and our values. How can we innovate?
How can we build even better and with lower CO2 emissions?
The world has changed. Big firms need to speak up, make action.
To speed up this journey towards a better and more sustainable future.